Join me to find the top keywords that will help you cash in on Clickbank and see if we can actually make money. Using keywords effectively on Clickbank is crucial if you want to drive traffic and increase sales. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of your product and reaching the right audience. One of the biggest struggles marketers face when trying to find the right keywords for their Clickbank products is just getting started. They don't know where to begin or what tools to use, so they end up wasting hours searching for keywords that might not even be relevant to their product. Another common struggle is identifying keywords that have high demand but low competition. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, and it can be incredibly frustrating. So, how do you overcome these struggles and find the right keywords for your Clickbank product? The answer lies in using the right tools and strategies for keyword research. One tool I highly recommend is TubeAtlas. It's not free, but it's affordable and it's easy to use, and it gives you a wealth of information about keywords and so much more. Another strategy is to use VidIQ to find keywords related to top-selling products. It's a great tool for a reasonable price. You can also use Clickbank's own affiliate marketplace to find keywords related to popular products. And finally, you can use Google Trends to identify keywords that are currently trending and have high demand. By using these tools and strategies, you can identify high-performing keywords for your Clickbank product and start driving traffic and sales. One powerful keyword strategy that has proven successful for many users is to focus on long-tail keywords. These are keywords that are more specific and less competitive than generic keywords. For example, instead of targeting the keyword weight loss, you could target weight loss for women over 40. This keyword is more specific, it has higher conversion rates, and it's easier to rank for. By targeting long-tail keywords, you can attract highly targeted traffic that's more likely to convert into sales. By using these keyword strategies, you can increase your chances of success on Clickbank and start making some real money. Remember, finding the right keywords takes time and effort, but with the right tools and strategies, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. And if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite keyword strategies for making money on Clickbank? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on making money online.